Does your St. Louis home insurance cover roof replacement? With your home's roof being one of the most expensive parts of your house to repair out of pocket, you're probably wondering what you should do. You won't be able to file a claim if the cause of your roof damage is due to lack of maintenance on your part or just general wear and tear, like a gradual roof leak. What kind of roof damage is covered by insurance? Wind, hail, fire, lightning, smoke, weight of snow or ice, falling objects, like a tree, vandalism. What kind of roof damage might not be covered? General wear and tear, damage that is gradual from lack of maintenance, earthquake, flooding, potential wind or hail exclusions. Some may consider cosmetic. How the age of your roof affects what's covered by insurance. Here are 2 examples of when your home insurance company would likely pay to replace your roof, and when it wouldn't. Covered. An ice storm causes your roof to cave in. Not covered. Overgrown branches destroy your roof. Does roof damage come with separate deductibles? Wind and hail deductibles. Here's how much you stand to save on your home insurance rates by replacing your roof. Not only will this limit the amount of claims you file, saving you time and money, but many insurance companies offer wind mitigation discounts for homeowners who have impact-resistant roofing. Here at For Valor Roofing, they have worked with St. Louis homeowners in a way that they can get the insurance to cover the cost, not in every case, but many.